Taipei. Here we are. It's actually nice to be back. I was here before the trip when it first started for 2 days, but very jet lagged and I needed time to get into the mood, and I'm happy to be back after this vacation. Now I quickly want to get you through the settings that I'm using for shooting. I'm shooting on my Leica M-P 240 with a 35mm Nokton, the Voigtlander lens. Usually I shoot around aperture 5.6 with the shutter speed to automatic with a base shutter speed of 1/500th or 1/250th. So it depends on how the lighting is and that stuff. I have my maximum ISO set to 2000, and that's the way I shoot basically. I mean, rangefinder, it's quite simple. I love shooting it, and I love the people that are already walking towards me. So let's get this started and enjoy. It's actually quite a hip place. I've been there before, and I remember a lot of people eating there. Must be where the youngsters and all the cool people meet. Ready for the day. So that's it, one day of street photography in Taipei. I hope you liked it. It was a lot of fun to shoot. It was a beautiful vibe in the city. The weather was amazing, lots of good food, happy people. I hope you like it. Please leave some comments below the video and tell me what you would like to see next time, or what I could improve. And I wish you a great, wonderful day and always good light for your pictures. Bye bye.